Pick it up, mister. I say what I say, so yeah.
So I figured that I'd take you through my process of shampooing, conditioning, and just doing a twist out on my hair. It's shrunken back up. It's been raining a lot lately, and it's also like a little dry and brittle, and so that's pretty much when I know that it needs to be cleansed. This is the shampoo that I used when I had my braids for probably about the last 6 to 8 months. I really think that this helped in keeping my hair healthy and strong while it was braided up. So I'm gonna go ahead and double cleanse my hair and condition it, and then we'll get into the twist out. This is typically what my hair looks like. It's very soft, and here's the curl pattern. It's not really a curl pattern, it's more of like a zigzag, and it is very thick. So here is the process that I typically go through. I've been keeping it really simple. So I'm using the Pattern Beauty, the Palo Santo leave-in. I liked this product before, but I love it now. It's the scent. For me, that Palo Santo is just, it is heavenly. It's so good. So I want to lock in the moisture. So the moisture is coming directly from the water, not anywhere else. Just a little bit of leave-in. I've learned that less is definitely more. The past couple of times that I've done my twist out, I've used the Camille Rose Brown Butter Melt. And from here on out, I'm no longer going to do any detangling either. I also realized that the more kind of like, I guess you could say, manipulation causes more frizz. So what I'm learning is that less is truly more. So I'm going to just part out a little section of my hair, and I'll do these 2-strand twists with you. I typically do them kind of like medium and or chunky size. And I did get my hair cut in this shape, but it was a while ago. And so as it's grown out, it's just grown out in the prettiest shape. But I am going to get it trimmed again soon. So I'm applying the product all over that entire section, and then literally just working it in with my fingers. Run my fingers through it, add a little bit more if I need to, and twist it.
Myself before I know that you.
When I get to the ends, I just wrap it around my fingers. Also, quick tip, braid or twist in the direction that you want the hair to fall. Twists are done. I'm either gonna blow dry this a little to like speed up the process before I go to bed, just so that it's not soaked and wet, and then basically let it dry overnight. And I'm gonna take this down in the morning. So chunky twist. Watch how it looks tomorrow. It's gonna be so good.
I am sorry. All circuits are busy. Please try your call again later.
Pattern Beauty pick, and this is why I like this pick. Look at how large it is. It almost covers my entire face. This pick works wonders because the teeth are really long. I prefer the tortoise one over the black one. I feel like the teeth are a little bit softer. I pick in sections and I do typically start with the back. You can start anywhere, but I break up my hair. So let's say I'll go here and then reverse it, pick up. There was this guy on my video, this is totally irrelevant. I was styling an outfit, right? And I was basically kind of like explaining how to figure out what things go together, like what pieces are going to work together. And his comment was somewhere along the lines of like, doesn't everybody know that? You know, it was something like real spicy like that. The thing is that personally think that you should ever assume anybody knows anything unless you told them. So what I'm telling you guys, when you pick your hair, if you want to get something similar to this, do not pull all the way through. You're stopping probably about midway. And don't get frustrated if it doesn't look exactly like you want it to look. It's hair. It's going to move. It's going to mold. This is day one hair. So imagine, and it looks so good. Let me just give y'all a 360. Imagine what it looks like over time. Like day two, give or take. Let's take out these bandings and I'll show you what day two looks like. Perfect. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. I hope that you actually learned something from this tutorial. I do think that like less manipulation is key. I really only sleep with a bonnet and separate it where my hair naturally separates and put it in those 3 sections. This is my natural hair in a twist style. I love you guys. Make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.
Wayne, turn that shit off.